Okay, today I have the Corsair K70 RGB keyboard with Cherry MX blue switches, and this keyboard feels really good. It's clicky. It's also metal, so it's very durable. It's actually the whole thing isn't metal. It's just got metal on top. Because if you look at the bottom of the keyboard, it's got plastic on the bottom. Oh, that's something I haven't noticed. But there's a thing under here to like route cables and stuff. I could like route my mouse cable under there as well. I may do a review of the mouse later, but so yeah, the keyboard retails for $150. I want to say. Wait, let's check. I just want to be sure of my price. Oh, it's on sale right now for $120. That's a good deal. Anyway, so the RGB lights look pretty good. I'll actually move the camera. I have a fisheye lens. That's probably the next thing on my list to upgrade. Is my camera, because this camera doesn't have changeable lenses or anything. The lens is fixed, but I can't zoom either. If you go into Corsair Link, oh, it reverses the curve of my monitor. It just looks flat. My monitor is curved towards me, and this like reverses that effect. It's hilarious. And then there's lighting effects here. You can do direction for the wave. Oh, you can wave up. I'll point this back down. You can wave up, down, left, right, whatever. I have it set to right normally. And then there are a bunch of other color shift, color pulse, color wave, visor, which does this, rain, which does this, type lighting, which lights up the keys depending on when you press the keys, just kind of wah. And then you can also set it to type lighting per key instead of ripple, and you can set how long the duration is. That's short, that's medium, and that's long. That is actually really long. Okay. And then what does void visualizer do? I don't know what void visualizer does. You can figure that on your own time if you want to Google that, I guess. Oh, cool. And then you have temperature, where you can tell it to light up. I'm just now finding out some new stuff about this keyboard actually. You can do temperature to go off your CPU temperature. Oh, sensor. i7 8700K Core 1. And then I'll tell it to, you can tell it to go between green, yellow, and red, depending on what temperature your processor or RAM or cooler or whatever is. And yeah. So, actually I'm going to put it back to Rainbow Wave. Keyboard's really good. I like it. Feels good. Clicky. Metal looks nice. I've actually got a wallpaper that... Wait. Crap. My tripod's not being right. It's wanting to fall over. There we go. I've actually got a wallpaper that matches the keyboard. This one, if you just look up Corsair Rainbow Wallpaper, should come up. And if you just like do Rainbow Wave like that, it matches this. And it's got the black brushed aluminum look behind it. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Smash like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See ya, bye.